Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix no audio output device is installed on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Now you have to click on the start button and then go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Then you have to scroll down and you'll find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Then here you'll find audio with the run button corresponding to it. So run the audio troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to run the audio troubleshooter. So from here, you need to click on yes. And then you just have to follow the remaining steps for the issue to be fixed. It will also automatically fix the issue for you. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar. And here you need to type Device Manager. Hit enter. And then you will find a device manager window. Now you have to click on your username, click on view, click on show hidden devices, and here you'll find the sound, video, and game controllers. This one, expand the list. Then here we need to look for your audio driver, this one. Now what you have to do is make a right click. So this is disabled. You need to select enable. Then make a right click, select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you just need to simply choose the latest version. And then you have to click on next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then simply close this. Close this window. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type sound settings. Click on it under the best match. Scroll down and you will find more sound settings. And then you have to look for your audio. Make a right click, select enable. So make sure this is not disabled, and then you have to click on OK and then close this, and after that your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.